Hey guys, it's Lilac South here again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, it's just going to be a continuation of my travel prep vlog. So if you haven't seen my travel prep vlog 1, please jump right into it because it's a definite must watch, okay? So guys, on the 27th of November 2023 on Monday, I had my immigrant visa interview and it was successful, and a week after I got my international passport. And that's because I'm based in Abuja and I had my interview in Lagos. So it was DHL to me here in Abuja. Usually it takes 2-3 days. If you're in Lagos, you get it. But yeah, it had to be sent to me and I got it like a week later. So guys, it is 8 days to my travel day and I am super excited. My travel date is scheduled for 1st of January. I'll be traveling on New Year Day. And I'm super excited because I feel like it's going to be like a fun experience for me, coupled with the fact that I have never traveled out alone. And yeah, it's just going to be like a good, fun experience for me. I can't wait, you guys. So yeah, it's time to start shopping. Anyways, I have to go to the market to buy foodstuffs, bags, few drugs I need to take with me, and a couple of other stuffs that I need to get. Yeah, I'm going to go shop all of that, and I will take you guys along with me. Yeah, I'll make sure you watch this video to the end, to the very end. Okay, thank you. And please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you are new. You're welcome. So guys, let's get right into the rest of the video. Hey guys, so I'm at the market and I'm here to get like my boxes and some other food stuff I need to get from the market. Hey guys.
Pink champagne, I'm totally vibing. It's true what they say, it's all about timing. I'm doing okay. For the first time in a while, can't help but love my style. Just caught in the feeling of so much glitter. You can't forget her, a superstar. Like ooh, we just get better. Our dreams get bigger, and we won't stop. Like ooh. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, confetti like 1980 purple Mustang. I'm feeling myself tonight. Yeah, I'm doing okay. For the first time in a while, can't help but love my style. There's so much glitter, you can't forget her, a superstar. Like ooh, we just get better. Our dreams get bigger, and we won't stop. Like ooh. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, confetti like, confetti like. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself tonight. Hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you've come this far, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like, hey, you know who you are, so dance till the sunrise and throw the confetti like.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the items I got, my personal items I got for my trip. They're actually so much, and I don't even know where to start from. In my bag, they said 23 kg, so honestly, I don't even know how I want to do this. It's like, because there's a lot going on here. I don't know where to start from, but let me just show you guys what I got. So yeah, you guys, I got this Beats by Dre. It's like a present I'm giving to myself for my hard work this year. So yeah, it's been a long time coming that I wanted to get a piece, so I finally did, and I love it. Beats by Dre, you guys do this one. I got this power bank. Is what it looks like. I also got this, but I don't know if I'm going to be needing it. It's just to put my skincare product, the ones that I opened already. I'm just gonna put them in here. I got my adhesive spray, lace paint, for hair serum, styling gel, melting spray from Eben, hair growth oil. I also got this for myself. Yeah, so I'll be comfortable on my flight. I think this came along with this. It was like a gift. Where did I get this? Okay, I got this from Shop Fancy, you guys, on Instagram. Guys, I also got some hair from Stephanie Dimfina. They sell braided wigs, and guys, these wigs are fire. These wigs are so beautiful. So these are the hairs. I can't open them now because I don't want to just scatter the way they packed it. I need to just take it like this and just put it in my bag. So I'm just showing you guys because I think they call these locks. When I get there, I'm going to show you guys the hairs. I'll be installing them one after the other on different occasions. I got this another locks. So, but two locks. I think they're different kind of locks, and I love them. So I just bought the both of them. I was indecisive of which one I was gonna get, so I just bought the both of them. So we'll do the installing when I get there. I got this so much hair because I mean I don't want to get there and I'm looking all rough and all that. I just, want to look good and slay. You get. So I'll be doing lots of installation and all of that. So you guys watch out for my hair installation videos because yeah, I'm gonna come through with that. So yeah, that's for the braided wigs. This is from the Classic Hub. They sell fashion products, hair and bags. So yeah, let's check out this one. This is an Afro wig. Just in case I'm tired of wearing braided wigs, I just switched to this one. This is frontal and messy hair bond. So this came with free gifts. So they gave me a free wig cap for my installation. I also got this fringe, detachable fringe. So yeah, just in case I just want to style it. So yeah, that's that for the hair. And I also got some, what they call it, Afro one. I got like 4 pack. Why am I going to pack all of this, you guys? Jeez. It's a lot. This is the curly ponytail, what I call, and then this is the straight one. I can't remember where I got them from. This one. I think it's from HBN Ponytail. I think so, yeah. HBN on Instagram. Okay, so I've got this a long time ago. This is from Perfect Hairline. This is it, you guys. So when I get there, I'm going to install it for you guys. So this is from J2K's Lock Spray Hair. So yeah, let me unbox this one for you guys. Wow. So this is waterfall. This is bullshit. Wow. This also goes straight frontal and closure. That's that for the hair. I'm done now for the hair. You guys, I don't know where I'm gonna pack all of this. Like, jeez. God help me. Cause what? Let me continue, you guys. So yeah, I got this to pack my skincare products and makeup products too. Then these perfumes. This is Zara and this is Latafa, you guys. I've always heard so much about Latafa and I love it. That's what Latafa looks like and it's so beautiful. Smells nice. I've also done the unboxing video. I'm just gonna post it on my shorts so you guys can watch it. This Zara smells good. I'm not even gonna lie, Zara smells absolutely. And this is what she looks like. Smells good. I can't wait to use them. I think I got some hair stuff like combs, brush, HD wig caps, wig bag to pack my wigs. Also more wig caps, rollers, another set of roller and a brush. I got this glass box. I don't know what they call it, you guys. What? A sunglass case, yeah. I've already put the glasses in it. And the funny thing is, I still have more glasses that I couldn't enter both of those. I'm just gonna probably put in my hand luggage. Eyelashes, I bought like a pack. Then I have my hair installation kit. So you guys, this is my blow dryer. This is my coiler, mini coiler. This is for my edges. I also have like another tiny coiler in case I want to coil like a mini front hair. So, or maybe I want to achieve like a really tiny coil. But this is going to take like a wow. Then this is my straightener. This is 2-in-1. This is 2-in-1 coiler. It has a straightener and then a coiler. So you lock and the straightener opens and then you unlock. The straightener locks and then the coiler opens. Yeah, that's how it works. Then I got some jewelry. I got some hair clips and then some jewelry sets. So this is a phone holder for plane. So I'm going to be using it on the airplane just in case I want to make a video. You know, as a content creator, you have to make videos anywhere. So this is a phone holder. You can just clip it to anywhere. anywhere you want to clip it to. You don't need like a stand for it, a tripod for it. So you just clip it and then you just place your phone and make a video. Got so much lip gloss. Like I got a lot. This is just one absolute. And then I also got like a pack. I can't find it, but I'll have to check. I got my body oil, Easy Tone. Dr. Rachel, I bought the vitamin C exfoliating and brightening face and body scrub. Vitamin C face serum, face cream, body lotion. Since I can't make my nails, I got some artificial nails that I'm going to be using for myself, just in case. I got like lots of them though. And then I got this, buffers. This is the lip gloss I was talking about. I got like a pack, classic. And I also got absolute, so I can mix the both of them. I've always wanted to get a pair of this, and I finally found it. This is like just that collar neck stuff that you wear, and you don't have to wear like a t-shirt for it. You just wear this just to achieve the collar neck stuff. I can't remember. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, it's a collar shirt. It's just halfway. So yeah, I bought them. I bought like three white, black, and this belts, some headbands, tummy belts. So this is from Anything Accessories on Instagram. So you guys go shop from them. I'm still thinking if I have anything I haven't showed you guys. There's still more, but I don't know. My makeup kits are all somewhere there inside. I don't know where I kept them. But after this, I'm going to arrange them somewhere. Let me start packing. If there's any other thing I need to show you guys, I would in the course of this video. So let's get into packing, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and comment on this video. Yeah, watch out for part 3, which is going to be my travel vlog. Mwah.